Welcome to AR's Cookspace. Today we are crafting a stunning Oriental sweetness, a category of desserts renowned for their natural ingredients, rich textures, and deep cultural significance. This recipe bridges the culinary traditions of Central Asia, the Middle East, and India. Known as chakchak in Uzbekistan or khagina gulmina in Persian and Afghan cultures, these golden flower-shaped pastries are deep fried to a perfect crunch and glazed in a fragrant sugar or honey syrup. Whether it's a festive celebration like Ramadan, a wedding feast, or simply a cozy tea time treat, this regional delicacy is a showstopper and is sure to delight your guests and family. Let's get started and create this beautiful dessert together.